Oh my gosh. They're gripping on you. We have a dump truck full of helmet urchins here. All right, you guys. Well, we got our backhoe here, so let's get to work. There we go. All right, you guys, I am loading some of these urchins into this little dump truck here. 1, 2, 3, go! Crush it! Oh no, baby, I got buried. How will the backhoe fare? Oh, 1, 2 hits and 3, and it's down. Oh, can he top it? He's gonna be the champion. He's the champion. Hey, you guys, welcome to the show. Today we are at the beach, and we have really cool trucks here that we're gonna play with. But first, Axel has a delivery. He's got a double delivery. What do you have here, Axel?
It's moving. Stop turning.
Oh, let me see. Axel has a sea urchin here, you guys. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it is moving. Look at that thing, it is amazing. Axel collected some helmet sea urchins here in our dump trucks. In the big dump truck here, the big driven one, Axel has how many more?
4.
4 more helmet sea urchins here, you guys. That is so crazy, bro. Wow. 5 sea urchins in total. Yes, you guys, we are at the beach. We are gonna have a lot of fun digging with our trucks here. And Axel, maybe are you gonna collect some more sea creatures? Maybe we can build.
You get the crab.
You want me to get a crab?
You get the crab.
Maybe we can build a creature habitat with our trucks. All right, you guys, we're gonna make a cool sea creature habitat for these helmet urchins and whatever other sea creatures we find while we're here. Are you ready, bro?
A jellyfish.
A jellyfish? I don't know about that. Dude, the helmet urchin is sticking itself to this dump truck. I can't even pull it off.
Let me try.
Oh, I got it off. You got it to stick to your hand earlier, right? That was so cool. Wow. Okay. The helmet urchin is attached to Axel's finger here. Let me see the other one. Oh my gosh. They're gripping on you. Look at their little feelers. They're just gripped right on you.
There's 2 more than that.
Oh my
down
gosh.
There's 2 more.
They think your fingers are like the rocks.
There's 2 more down there.
Let me see. Pick it up. Oh my gosh. Let me see.
But only 1.
What?
Only 1.
This helmet urchin is. Oh.
That was only 1.
It was only hanging by 1 sucker thing. That is crazy. All right, you guys, well, we got our backhoe here, so let's get to work. Come on, let's do it. All right, Axel, so you think it's a good idea to make the habitat right here? All right, well, I got the backhoe here. Are you gonna collect some more creatures while I build the habitat? Okay, all right, go see what you can find, okay? All right, River, so while Daddy digs over there, are you digging over here with your backhoe? River is digging here with her backhoe, you guys. You're gonna drive it? Okay, you keep working and Daddy will work over there, okay? I'm gonna move some sand over to here to create a wall. So River came over here with her backhoe and she wants to help. Yeah, you're doing great with that backhoe, baby girl. That's the bucket, yeah. Let's see you scoop it.
Bucket.
Yeah, that's the hoe and this is the front bucket here.
That's the hoe.
You want to dump it? Okay, there you go. All right, so it was getting tough using the bucket, so I'm gonna have to use the hoe now. There we go. Yeah, this hoe works better in these smaller areas. There we go. Just gonna move it over there. Dig it a little deeper here. There we go. Oh my, River, well, you got that dump truck filled up almost. Are you gonna dump it somewhere?
Right here.
River has filled up her dump truck here with her backhoe while I was digging this hole here. So I think we're about done. Nice work, River. Where are you gonna dump it? Let's see.
In a hole.
In my hole? In there? Okay, you can dump it in there. That's kind of counterproductive, but there you go. Dump it out. Nice work, baby girl. Give me 5. Yeah. You wanna go see how Bubba's doing? See if he caught some creatures? Okay, let's go check on Axel and see if he's got any new creatures. Here comes Axel now. What did you get? Let me see. How many is that? He got a bunch more helmet urchins, you guys. Come on, let's go see. Let's go see. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Axel is just hanging like this. How many urchins? They're all stuck to your hand. They're just sticking to your hand. That is so
Earlier
crazy.
they bit me.
You don't even have to hold them. Just shake your hand, shake your hand. They won't come off. He's shaking his hand. That is the craziest thing. All right, let's load them all up in the dump truck and see what we got.
Baby.
There's a baby one, yeah. Oh my.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
We have a dump truck full of helmet
13.
urchins here.
13.
Deliver them to the pond. Look what I made. I made a pond right here for the helmet urchins.
Okay, let's put them in here.
Cool. All right, go ahead and put them in, then we'll bring.
I can't take them off. Try to take them off.
They're sticking to that plastic, aren't they? All right, let's place them all in here.
Oh.
There we go. See if they can all fit in here. All right, you guys, we have our helmet urchin
Probably kind of annoying.
deal. Yeah,
That
this
thing
dump
got
truck,
wet.
it got wet, so it won't be quiet. It's honking constantly. Yeah, you guys, we got our helmet urchin little sea habitat here, but they don't really like sand, probably, right? So, you guys, they call these helmet sea urchins because this looks like an old school helmet. It's tough armor here. Like if you had a sword, you couldn't pierce through that. Like a helmet. Pretty sweet. All right, we're gonna put them back in the bucket, you guys. So this is a fine temporary habitat. It's not good for them to be in here for very long. We need to put them back in water. So they're all back in here, yep. Yeah, that was a good temporary thing, but they don't really like the sand. That's why they live on the rocks. So we're gonna put them in this bucket and we're gonna take them back and let them go back in the wild. All right, you guys, I am loading some of these urchins into this little dump truck here. This is such a perfect little dump truck, and we're gonna deliver it to the ocean. All right, you guys, we're gonna dump the sea urchin out right here. Can you dump it out right there? That's a good spot. There you go. All right, let them suction to the rocks. Put them down below the tide line, right there. Perfect. All right, dump out the rest of them.
I'm gonna dump it out
Right there? All right, there you go, bro. Let's see you do it.
Sticking on.
They're sticking to the ground. Yep. Whoa! There, that's a perfect spot. That's where they like it, right? Nice. There you go, little sea urchin. All right, let's dump the last one out there, bro.
I'm gonna put them under here.
Look at this guy, he's stuck here. Oh, there we go. All right, bye little sea urchins. Thanks for playing with us in our trucks. All right, you guys, so we just made this sandcastle, and River says she wants to wreck it with the backhoe. Let's see you do it. Are you gonna do it with the hoe? Okay. She's like, I'll do it with my hand.
Real quick, I'm gonna use ice punch.
All right, let's see it. Axel's gonna destroy his sand. You gotta shake it, pull it. Oh, look at that, that's perfect, bro. Almost, oh, well, never mind. All right, hold on, let me see it. Okay, we're gonna do the big one, okay? Okay. Oh, that's a pretty good one. The top is kind of crumbling a little bit. All right, bro, let's see how fast you can demo it with the backhoe. Ready? Oh yeah, see, you're gonna dig a hole through it? Let's see. Oh no, it's split right in half. Look at that, dude. All right, Rib, careful, Bo's gonna look, half of it's still, oh no, it crumbled. Way to demo it. This thing is really good for working in the sand. And Axel's gonna fully demo it. Make sure not one grain of sand is left on top of another. All right, you guys, Axel's gonna use Mega Punch on this sandcastle. Let's see it, bro. 1, 2, 3, go! What do you got? Oh, snap. What do you got, Riv? River has Gravedigger there. So I want to do a crushing too. I'm gonna use Gravedigger to crush this sandcastle.
I'm gonna use Barry the treasure. Wait, no, I'm gonna use Barry. Look.
Okay.
Gravedigger dug his grave.
Well, Axel did, technically. Alright, he's all in there. What are you gonna dig him out with? Ah, the little backhoe. That's a great idea. Dig out grave digger. Where are you, grave digger? Where are you?
I see something.
I see something. I can't see anything because of the shadow.
Now can you?
Aha! Starting to look more like Gravedigger. There he is. Alright, you guys. So we are almost done for the day, but Axel wanted to fill up the big sandcastle bucket.
3 times.
You want to make 3 sandcastles?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's get to scooping. There you go, man. Nice.
Sorry.
That backhoe works pretty good, doesn't it? I like it.
When that thing is broken.
I think this thing is full. All right, let's dump it in the bucket now. I'll hold this in. There we go. Look at that.
Now
And it's full of sand now. I mean, not full. It's got some sand, but we got a long way to go to get that thing full. You're just gonna dump it directly in there? That's a good idea. Nice. All right, let's see you scoop it. There you go. Nice. And dump it backwards. Hey! How much? How much can fit in the bucket, you mean?
Yeah, but come and look.
That's a pretty big bucket.
Come and look how much it has in the bucket. Only that much.
Uh-huh. There you go. Nice.
Like this here.
Is it full? All right, let's tip it over. Ready? Ah! Oh my gosh, that thing is so
Let's make
huge.
3 and a half.
All right, you guys, we're gonna make 3, 4. We better get to work then. We got a lot of work to do. All right, you guys, so to end the show, we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 giant sandcastles. And Axel wanted to make these little ones in front.
Not yet.
Okay, not yet, baby girl. Do you want to help crush it, River?
Yeah.
You gonna use your shovel? Okay. All right, bro, what are you gonna use to crush them?
It's Titan, dump truck, backhoe, and
Where's Gravedigger? I don't know. Where's Gravedigger? Where's Gravedigger? Oh, there's Gravedigger.
Gravedigger.
Okay.
These 5 little sandcastles.
Okay. All right, is Gravedigger up first? Gravedigger! Crush it! Oh no, Gravedigger got buried! Gravedigger's out, the Titan is in! Come on, Titan, you can do it! Crush it! Crush it! Oh no! Oh no! Wait, he's fine, he finished! The Titan is the champion so far! Uh-oh, they can't make it. Oh no, Titan, you're too small! Oh man, what are we gonna have to bring in? What are we gonna bring in to crush this one? Oh man, it's the backhoe! Crush it! Hold on, River, not yet, not yet!
Not yet.
He's digging it out. Oh, the backhoe's taking me. Oh, one! Oh my, oh no, the backhoe has been crushed!
Okay, the backhoe's
Making
out.
sure that the backhoe's out. What's next? The dump truck. Can the dump truck crush it? Oh.
The dump truck was
It looks like the sandcastle crushed the dump truck.
dump truck doesn't equal very much.
Okay, what's next? All right, River's gonna crush it with a shovel. Are you ready, Riv? Let's see you do it. Keep pushing it, River. Crush it! Crush it! You got it! Oh my goodness, you're doing it! River's crushing it with the Titan. Oh, did you see that? She almost crushed the other sandcastle.
Now we use mega shovel.
Mega shovel. Boosh. Whoa. And both of these sandcastles have been demolished. All right, Axel, let's see it. He's gonna crush it with a big dump truck. He's gonna use headbutt. Be careful, be careful. Be careful, dump truck. Oh no, he's crushing it. It's falling apart. It's like it's made out of sand. Oh no.
The dump truck was crushed.
That sand is just falling on the dump truck. How is this happening? The poor
The dump truck
getting carried. All right, now for the backhoe. How will the backhoe fare? Oh, 1, 2 hits, and 3, and it's down. This is craziness. Oh, the backhoe's on to the next one. Oh, and one hit. Oh, can he top it? He's gonna be the champion. He's the champion.
Not yet, you haven't done this.
All right, knock it down, knock it down. Uh-oh, what's happening? The sand is rising up. It's falling down. It's getting covered now. No! Shake it off, shake it off, shake off that sand. Oh, this is a mess. All right, well, I think this is a giant pile of sand now. Nice work, backhoe. It's a road. He's making a road. Yes, you're right. He's making a road. This is perfect.
It's perfect.
You know what? The dozer is going to be perfect, right? The dozer would be perfect. We haven't opened the dozer yet. But by the time you see this video, we may have already opened it. So, oh my gosh, this is so cool. What a perfect road. Look at this. See if the dump truck can drive on it. That's a great idea. All right, dump truck. Let's see you head down the road. There we go. That's awesome. And out to the ocean. All right, River, drive on the road. Let's see you go back. There you go. You got it. You got it. Yeah.
Moving it.
You got it, Riv. There you go, Riv. And all the way done. Did you make a tunnel?
Yeah.
Axel made the tunnel. What? See if the Titan can go through. Come on, Titan. You can. Oh, you made it through the tunnel.
He's gonna roll over it now.
Let's see. And he rolls over it. That's so cool. I can't believe that's not falling.
The dump truck.
The dump truck. Let's see. Will it roll? Roll it over. Push it this way. See if it'll work. Push it. Oh, part of it only came. Dump truck's going through. It's going through it. It's still not broken and it made it through.
Now the backhoe.
All right. Bye.
Now the backhoe. Look, Daddy, now the backhoe.
And the backhoe's through. And they're all going through. And the Titan again.
And let's see if the dump truck can go through.
Let's see if the big dump truck can go through. Oh, it can't.
Now it can.
All right. Bye, you guys. So Axel found a boogie board and buddy. And he's out boogieing to the sunset. You guys get out and use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun just like you see us doing every day if you just use your imagination. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.